Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, you have studied in your previous classes about our national symbols like national fruit, national bird, national song, national anthem, national flag, national sport, and so on. So today we are going to discuss about our national flag. Okay, children? So let's begin. Unit 6, our national flag. Now children, coming to activity 1. Imagine your school had a flag. How would it look like? Draw it in the box given below. Children, in this activity, you have to imagine your school flag and draw it in the given box. Okay, children? Now, children, you do this activity by your own. I will check it when our school will open. Okay, children? Now coming to activity 2. Read the conversation. Children, conversation means a talk between two or more people in which news and ideas are exchanged. Okay, children? Children, this conversation is in between 3 persons. Grandpa, Sujal, the boy, and Alpa, the girl. Grandpa: what are you doing, Sujal and Alpa? Sujal: we are coloring our national flag. Our art teacher has given us homework to color our national flag. Alpa: Grandpa, the best colored picture will be displayed on the soft board, and whoever does it well will be bestowed the prize for it on the Independence Day. Children, bestowed means to give something as an honor or present. Sujal: look, Grandpa, how have I done it? Grandpa: well done. Well, do you know the history of our national flag? Sujal: no. Please tell us something about the national flag. Grandpa: the national flag of India has 3 equal horizontal bands. The top panel is saffron. The bottom panel is green, and a white middle band is at its center. It has Ashoka Chakra in navy blue color. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22 July 1947, when it became the official flag of India? Alpa. Grandpa, who designed our national flag? Sujal. I think it was created by Pingali Venkaya. Grandpa, yes, it is right. Now children, in this chapter, we will see conversation between three persons. Grandpa, Sujal, the boy, and Alpa, the girl, on the topic National Flag. Children, conversation means a talk between two or more people in which ideas are exchanged. Okay children? Now, when Grandpa saw Sujal and Alpa coloring national flag, he asked about it, and then Sujal said that their art teacher has given them homework to color national flag. In this, Alpa added that the best colored picture will be displayed on the soft board and also will be given the prize for it on Independence Day. So they both seemed very excited in completing their work. Then Grandpa asked, "Do you know the history of national flag?" Sujal instantly replied, "No," and asked Grandpa to tell something about national flag. Grandpa said, "Our national flag has three equal horizontal bands. The topmost band is of saffron color. The bottom band is of green color and the middle band is of white color with the Ashoka Chakra in its center in navy blue color." Grandpa also said that officially our national flag is adopted by our Constituent Assembly on 22nd July 1947. Now children, Alpa had a question. She asked, "Grandpa, who had designed our national flag?" Sujal instantly replied, "I think it was designed by Pingali Venkaya." And Grandpa appreciated him for his correct answer. Now children, here comes activity 3. Look at the picture of our national flag and describe it in 3 to 5 sentences. So children, let's see its solution. Now children, here comes solution of activity 3. The national flag of India has 3 equal horizontal bands. The top panel is saffron. The bottom panel is green and in the middle is the white band. In the center of the white band there is the Ashoka Chakra in navy blue color. The tricolor was adopted as the national flag on 22nd July 1947. Our national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya. Okay, children? Children, I hope you understood today's session. Now we will meet in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.